coolest survival and tactical gear you must see. Survival and tactical gear can make a huge difference when you're out in the wilderness or facing an emergency situation. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer, a camper, or just someone who likes to be prepared for the unexpected, having the right tools on hand is essential. From innovative tools that help you handle tough situations to gadgets that make life easier outdoors, each piece of gear here is designed with purpose, durability, and convenience in mind. No Cry Guard knee pads. No Cry Guard knee pads are not just any knee protectors. They are specifically designed to provide exceptional support, comfort, and safety for your knees in rugged conditions. These knee pads come with a heavy-duty shell that provides excellent impact protection, making them ideal for intense outdoor activities, such as hiking on rocky terrain or building a shelter in rough environments. The exterior shell is durable and impact-resistant, absorbing shock when you kneel down on hard surfaces and ensuring that your knees stay safe from scrapes, bruises, and injuries. The inner layer is made with soft gel and durable foam padding, which molds to the shape of your knees for personalized comfort even during long hours of use. In addition to comfort, the No Cry Guard knee pads are designed for stability and secure fit. They have adjustable, neoprene straps that prevent them from slipping out of place, so you won't have to keep adjusting them as you move around. These straps are also wide enough to evenly distribute pressure, reducing the chance of discomfort or chafing. Leatherman Skeletool. The Leatherman Skeletool is a versatile, compact multi-tool that has become a favorite for survivalists and everyday users alike. It combines multiple tools into one lightweight package, making it easy to carry and highly practical in a range of situations. The Skeletool includes essential tools like a knife, pliers, wire cutters, and a carabiner, all made from high-quality stainless steel. The knife blade is strong and sharp, allowing for precise cuts whether you're slicing food or cutting through rope. The pliers are sturdy enough for gripping, bending, and even pulling out nails in an emergency. Its minimalistic design allows for quick access to each tool, making it easy to find the right one when you need it most. Apart from its practicality, the Skeletool also stands out for its lightweight and compact design, weighing just under 5 ounces. This makes it a perfect addition to any survival kit or daily carry setup without weighing you down. The built-in carabiner clip allows you to attach it to your backpack, belt loop, or gear for easy access. The Skeletool's sleek design and compact form factor mean you get a reliable multi-tool that's easy to carry around, yet robust enough to handle heavy-duty tasks. Gerber Gator Machete. The Gerber Gator Machete is built for rugged environments and tough tasks, making it an essential tool for outdoor survival and tactical situations. With a 15-inch fine-edge blade on one side and an 18-inch high-performance saw blade on the other, this machete is perfect for clearing brush, chopping wood, or cutting through dense vegetation. The machete's blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, giving it strength, durability, and resistance to rust and corrosion. The high-carbon steel construction makes it especially well-suited for outdoor conditions, ensuring that the blade remains sharp and resilient even with frequent use. One of the best features of the Gerber Gator Machete is its ergonomic Gator grip handle, which provides a comfortable and slip-resistant hold. This handle makes it easy to use the machete for extended periods without fatigue or discomfort, and it's especially helpful in wet or humid environments where maintaining a solid grip can be challenging. Additionally, the machete comes with a riveted, nylon sheath for safe and easy carrying. Survivor Filter Pro. The Survivor Filter Pro is a must-have for anyone who values access to clean drinking water, especially in survival situations where finding safe water is crucial. This filter is a compact, pump-action water filtration system that removes bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants, making it safe to drink from natural water sources like rivers, lakes, and streams. Its triple filtration system, including a carbon filter, ultrafiltration membrane, and a medical-grade hollow fiber membrane, ensures that it removes 99.9% of waterborne pathogens. This advanced filtration makes it highly effective at providing clean, drinkable water in emergencies. The Survivor Filter Pro is also designed for convenience and durability. Its compact, lightweight form makes it easy to pack and carry, and it's capable of filtering up to 100,000 liters of water before needing a replacement. The pump mechanism is user-friendly, allowing you to quickly filter water into a bottle or hydration pack without needing batteries or complex assembly. For anyone spending time outdoors, this water filter offers peace of mind, knowing you'll have access to safe drinking water wherever you go. Surviveware Responder. The Surviveware Responder is a comprehensive first aid kit designed to help you handle medical emergencies while outdoors. This kit contains over 200 essential first aid items, including bandages, splints, antiseptic wipes, and other tools that are crucial in a survival situation. Each item is neatly organized in labeled compartments, so you can quickly find what you need without wasting time. The case is made from rugged, water-resistant material that keeps the contents safe from moisture and harsh conditions. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store in a backpack or carry along on any adventure. This first aid kit isn't just about basic medical care. It's specifically tailored for outdoor and survival scenarios. The Surviveware Responder also includes tools like a CPR mask, trauma shears, and emergency blankets, making it capable of addressing a range of serious injuries. For anyone who spends time in the wilderness or in remote areas, this first aid kit is invaluable. Zippo Woodsman. The Zippo Woodsman is a 4-in-1 tool designed to handle a variety of tasks you might encounter while camping or exploring the wilderness. This versatile tool combines a hatchet, saw, mallet, and stake puller into one compact package. The hatchet blade is perfect for chopping firewood or clearing branches, while the saw blade, which can be extended from a handle, is ideal for cutting through logs or large branches. The mallet is excellent for driving tent stakes into the ground, and the stake puller makes it easy to remove them when it's time to pack up. With its high-quality construction and durable materials, the Zippo Woodsman is built to last in harsh outdoor environments. The tool's design emphasizes both functionality and comfort, with an ergonomic handle that reduces strain on your hands. This 4-in-1 tool is lightweight enough to carry with ease, yet strong enough to tackle tough outdoor tasks. If you're looking for a multi-purpose tool that covers all the basics, the Zippo Woodsman is a reliable and efficient choice. Sog Sync II Traveler. The Sog Sync II Traveler is a unique multi-tool designed for portability and convenience. It includes essential tools such as pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and more. What makes it stand out is its ability to be worn as a belt buckle, so it's always within reach. The tool detaches easily from its buckle holder, allowing quick access whenever you need it. The stainless steel construction ensures it's durable and able to withstand regular use. This multi-tool is ideal for anyone who wants a functional, easy-to-carry tool on the go. Its design allows it to fit comfortably as a belt buckle, so you don't have to worry about finding space in your pocket or pack. The Sync II Traveler is compact, versatile, and highly accessible, making it perfect for both urban and wilderness adventures. Solar Suncase. The Solar Suncase is a solar-powered lighter that can ignite flames using the power of sunlight. This innovative device uses two parabolic reflectors to focus sunlight onto a small point, creating enough heat to ignite tinder, paper, or other flammable materials. This lighter is environmentally friendly and eliminates the need for traditional fuel sources like butane. It's perfect for campers, hikers, or anyone looking to reduce their reliance on traditional lighters. Besides being eco-friendly, The solar Suncase is also incredibly portable and lightweight. It fits easily in your pocket or pack, and its durable construction ensures it can withstand outdoor conditions. This solar lighter is a great addition to any survival kit, offering a sustainable and reliable way to start a fire without needing matches or fuel. Rite in the Rain Notebook. The Rite in the Rain Notebook is a rugged, water-resistant notebook designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need to take notes in any weather. Its special paper is water-repellent, meaning you can write on it even in heavy rain or snow without the ink smudging. The notebook is compact and fits easily into a pocket or backpack, making it perfect for keeping track of important information, maps, or plans while outdoors. This notebook is ideal for adventurers, campers, and survivalists who need to keep notes under challenging conditions. Its durable cover and binding keep the pages protected, and its waterproof paper makes it a valuable tool for those in the field. With the Rite in the Rain Notebook, you can document your journey without worrying about the weather ruining your notes. Beten Q2 Multi-Tool. The Beten Q2 Multi-Tool is a sleek, compact tool that combines a powerful flashlight, a blade, and a multi-tool in one convenient design. The flashlight provides a bright light that's ideal for nighttime navigation or emergency situations. The blade is sharp and durable, making it useful for cutting tasks, while the multi-tool includes essential tools like a screwdriver and a bottle opener. Its compact, pen-like design makes it easy to carry in a pocket or pack. This multi-tool is perfect for those who value functionality and portability. Its flashlight feature is particularly useful as it ensures you have a reliable light source in dark environments. The Beten Q2's slim, portable design makes it easy to carry with you everywhere, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected.